In the next few minutes, I'm going to blow your mind with the secrets to becoming rich as a designer. Now, this video is short and there's not one single piece of fluff, so listen up. Never charge less than $1,000 for a website. Your skills are way too valuable and no website is worth less than $1,000. Design only to 95% perfection and then hand it off to the client for approval. That last 5% takes the most time, and it rarely, if ever, even gets noticed by your client, only by us obsessive designers. Most of my sales come after 2 calls and at least 3 follow-up emails. So if you're giving up before that, that's probably why you're not landing clients. Selecting a niche is key to making big money as a designer. But niching down by industry isn't the only way to do it. You can niche down by the tools that you use, by a specific location, or by a combination of skills. Now, it might seem scary to niche down because you might exclude some potential clients, but if you don't niche down, you're pretty much excluding everybody. Without a doubt, the easiest way to grow your design business to your first 6 figures is to start locally. You can do this with Google Maps, local SEO, and word of mouth marketing. This video up here will show you exactly how to do it. If a designer like you ever learned how to effectively create content for a niche, rather than just other designers, you would make a ton of money. Never end a call with a potential client without scheduling your next meeting. If you don't keep them on the line, it's going to make it way too easy for them to ghost you. Always make sure that it's harder for them to say no than it is for them to say yes. Communication skills and social awareness will make you way more money than all the design skills in the world. I love the YouTube channel Charisma on Command. This is something that I watch every week to sharpen my social skills. Creating video case studies on YouTube is the easiest way to find new clients, even if you have 0 subscribers. All you have to do is use a tool like TubeBuddy to find out what people are searching for on YouTube and then creating your case study videos specifically around that keyword. This video up here is going to show you exactly how to do it. Below this video, I linked 6 YouTube channels that will teach you more about making money as a designer than any university or degree, and also my channel. So if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button. No matter what you're charging right now, you could easily charge 15% more with no repercussions. And if you haven't increased your prices in the last 3 months, now is the time to do it. Joining my free newsletter, The Wealthy Designer, will help you earn more money than any other resource you can find. Every single week, I'm sending you an email about an important topic that's going to help you improve as a designer, whether that's how to price your services, finding clients, building a brand, design processes. This newsletter is where I share all my best tips. So click this link up here in the top or down in the description to join for free. Designers who offer a complimentary service like SEO make twice as much as those who only offer design. This video up here will help you get started with SEO. If you aren't consistently investing back into your business through coaching, courses, mentorship, communities, it's going to be really difficult for you to ever be a top earner. Now, I'm not just saying this because I have courses. You don't have to buy any of my courses, but investing back into learning from people that have been there before and done what you're trying to do is going to be the quickest and easiest way to help you reach your goals. I have spent tens of thousands of dollars on online courses and other education, and my return on that investment has been insane. So comment down below which tip has helped you make the most money. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.